You've got a fantastic WordPress booking system set up. Your calendar is looking good. But there is one crucial thing missing: the payment. You can't just have clients book a session and hope they show up with cash or remember to pay an invoice later. That's not a reliable business. You need a system that ensures you get paid on time, reduces no-shows, and protects your bottom line. You're not just building a calendar, you're building a cash flow machine. And the payment part is the most important gear in that machine. So how do you do it? You need a system that seamlessly integrates with a payment gateway. The entire process should happen in one smooth flow. I always recommend two key strategies. First, take full payments upfront. This is the gold standard. It locks in the commitment, reduces no-shows, and improves your cash flow. Second, use deposits. Asking for a deposit upfront is a great way to secure booking without asking the full amount immediately. This is a good tactic for services like high-end consultations or workshops. You can also offer packages for multiple sessions, giving clients an incentive to commit long-term. I worked with a massage therapist who was constantly dealing with the last-minute cancellations. It was a nightmare for her schedule and her income. So we integrated a payment gateway to her booking system, asking for a 50% deposit upfront. The transformation was instant. Cancellations dropped by over 90% and her revenue became predictable. We also added the packages option. Buy 5 massages, get a 10% discount. Her clients loved the value and she secured a huge chunk of her income in advance. This approach didn't just fix the problem, it gave her new ways to market her services and grow her business. So when you're setting up your booking system, don't just stop at the calendar. Take time to properly configure your payments. Whether it's full payments, deposits, or packages, a robust payment system is the foundation for a successful automated business. If you've implemented a payment strategy that works for you, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. See you in the next video.